Is my employer considered an FMLA covered employer? Imagine you're planning to take time off for a serious health issue or family matter. Before you do, you need to know if your employer has to follow the Family and Medical Leave Act. That's what we're here to find out. The Family and Medical Leave Act is a law that gives eligible employees unpaid leave for certain family and health reasons. But not all employers are required to follow it. So, how do you know if your employer is covered? First, if you work for a private company, your employer is covered if they have at least 50 employees during at least 20 work weeks in the current or previous calendar year. This count includes all employees across all locations, whether they work full or part-time. The 20 work weeks do not need to be consecutive. It also includes employees on paid or unpaid leave and those on payroll, regardless of their pay status. The location where you work matters too. If you work at a fixed site, that's your work site. If you are a teleworker or mobile worker like a sales representative or construction worker, your work site is where your assignments are received. Public agencies are automatically covered, no matter how many employees they have. This includes local, state, and federal government offices. All public agencies are covered under the Family and Medical Leave Act. The same goes for all elementary and secondary schools, whether they are public or private. They are covered regardless of how many employees they have. If you work for a small private company with fewer than 50 employees during the 20 work weeks, your employer is generally not covered by the Family and Medical Leave Act. That means they do not have to provide unpaid leave or follow certain protections under the law. But if you work for a public agency or a school, your employer is covered no matter their size. Knowing whether your employer is covered is the first step in understanding your rights. If you are unsure, ask your human resources department or supervisor. You can also check official government guidance on the Family and Medical Leave Act. Remember, only employees working for covered employers can take advantage of FMLA protections. Employers who are covered must give you notice of your rights, keep your health benefits during your leave, and restore you to your same or an equivalent job when you return. So, it's good to know if your employer falls into the covered category before planning your leave.